Welcome to another trade of the day here at TraderTV.Live. DiDi shares under pressure. Another investigation coming through for a Chinese tech company causing shares to absolutely plummet. Now, DiDi just IPO'd last week, and all things considered, it did have a bit of a struggle getting through that 17 mark, but you're able to hold that 14 issue price by the end of the day. We're talking about our afternoon show. Looked great holding 14. You take that 15 level that it was trying to break through, and that was a good support level the second day. A great long opportunity we were trading on the show. All things seemed like it was going to be good, and then we got a big flush, investigations coming through to end the week, and then, oh my goodness, this morning we gapped to the downside. We were looking at a close back at that 15 level, and we gapped down this morning, staring $12 in the face as the app pulled. So new users unable to sign up for the ride-hailing app. Lots of pressure they're under. It was already down 20% and already short sell restricted when we walked in. At that point, I'm thinking to myself, why would anyone want to be long in this? Maybe there's a bit of a dip buy at some point, but there's going to be blood in the water here, and we wanted to be on the short side of it. It tried to get a dead cat bounce. I'm just going to show you right into about this 13 level here, and then you got consolidation. Now, this is where I stole from a setup, a gap up retracement setup that I usually have, where if this had been a gap upside, and I'm playing the short on weakness, I look for that failure at a top or a key level. It's about that 13 area. And then the consolidation lower. You short the consolidation. Nice breakdown into 12 even. That's a nice round number. Monster bid at 12 even. So for me, I wanted to scalp out, get more shares on a 12 break. Here's the thing at 9:30. We always, when I'm trading stocks at 9:30 that are big time players, if I'm shorting a pop move, a lot of times I'm looking for that quick reversal on a fail break at 9:30. You got to watch out for those. So I'm always going to try to take profit when we get these big flushes at 9:30. Just so happens that this is the current low, but I was still sitting in a good quarter of my shares at that particular point, guys. It's not as if I was getting flat. I waited till we get back to that $12 level. We sit out this entire move. I still want to stay net short. Wait till that $12 level, get some more shares, and then we don't quite get back to this $12.35, $12.40 range. We're able to catch some at $12.20 halfway through, and then from there we go back to work, take some out at VWAP, take some out at this low, which is currently holding up at $11.80. Now, this is not going to be winning 20% on the trade because the move happens over the weekend. Essentially, the news comes out over the weekend, and it's going to gap down. The question is, can you find an actionable trade off of that open or in the pre-market? A lot of this move is going to be off of the pre-market. A little bit more dangerous to be shorting it, when it's making this pop in. I do sort of regret not getting anything at around 1240, 1230 the first time through, but it gave you ample opportunity, and the volume is through the roof on DiDi. That's the thing. You can scalp in and out of this relatively easy. As we sit here, we're comfortably around that 12 even area. It might be trying to make a bounce, but the trade has already been put in. This was all about bias. Simply a directional bias that you have a lot of scared shareholders and scared investors at what is going to come next. What is the next shoe to drop? Now, could this get put right back in and new customers able to get back into the app? Sure, at any moment that could happen. You want to cover your shorts and run to the hills at that particular point. But for now, the bias is pretty clear. Another trade of the day. Let us know how you've been doing in DiDi trading, either, of course, last week in the IPO, maybe some good longs, or today to the south side. Put it in the comment section below. And as always, tune into our live show daily. See you in the market.